Welcome viewers. Today I will show how to delete your Facebook page post means post those you post before. You have to do this. You go to your Facebook account, then click the scanner, click here, and then you go to your page online marketing. This page name, my page name, online marketing. You go your page, and then you click professional dashboard, then you click content. Okay, content. Then after then you choose what do you want to delete. Now I want to delete this, and you click three dot button. Then you can say click link and edit post. No, you want to delete. Yes, I want to delete post. Then permanently delete post, then click delete. Take time, and you can see this that this post already deleted from uploading post. Okay, if you satisfied by this video, you can subscribe my channel.